everyone, today we're having our auto-turned Vickers hardness tester with the touchscreen. And this unit can be used for the metal foil, metal sheet, metal wire, and some thin metal layer. Compared to our traditional Rockwell hardness tester, this unit can be used for both metal and non-metal materials, such as glass, jewelry, and ceramics. And this unit comes with a 7 inches large touchscreen display for the easy operation, and the optional comes with the PC analysis software. And equipped with a high-speed thermal printer, a high magnification optical measurement system, and a dual-channel optical structure. Now I will show you how to operate our Vickers hardness tester.
Turn on the power switch and release the stop button. Place the large testing table onto stand. Install the eyepiece. Put the hardness block on the testing table and adjust the stand to proper position. Set up the testing parameters as required. Then click Start Test button to start test. Equipment will automatically load, hold and unload. Objective will automatically turret once test is completed. Make 2 engraved lines to the left edge of indentation and infinitely close to each over. Click Clear. Move right line to the right edge of indentation, then press drum button. Turn drum 90 degree and do the indentation measurement again. The hardness value will be automatically calculated. Test result can be printed out by one click.